How to fix Gmail has stopped on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail has stopped on Android phone. First thing you need to do here is to click Play Store and then check this one, Google Services, type services, and here you will find it. Then click on it and update it, and now type here Gmail and then update your Gmail. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here type Gmail and click on it, and now click force stop, and then go to storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it, so now all you need to do just click clear data, and you will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.